Hi guys, what we have here today is the Next Gen Ranger, the Platinum Edition, and the Next Gen Raptor. Both have bull bars, rear bars, and sports bar fitted. Let's have a look at this Raptor right now. We do have the hammer auto roller, nice, sleek, and black here. Works off the normal fob, key. We've actually made this one so it fits inside the tub to leave this space available to actually do a sports bar. As you can see, this is the Nova Series rear bar. It does come standard with a tow ball and hitch, rated at 3.5 tons. Can have the trailer plug relocated to the bar as well, whatever pin you have on that one. It does come with number plate lights. Now these reverse lights can be reversed, or you can have it on switch inside the cabin to have it as just normal light when you want to use it. What I do like the most about it, it is nice and sleek. It does follow that body line of the car, fits nicely, and it does actually show off your exhaust more. The exhaust do look more aftermarket when you have this on there. So this is our Titanium Series sports bar. As you can see, nice bright hammer lettering, nice and sleek, big pipes, fits nicely. All the bolts are hidden with these extra rubbers, so it looks nice and clean and black. Also, as you can see, the auto roller, we do have buttons at the back of the tub. Inside that tub, you can use your factory remote, press a couple of times, 3 times actually, opens and closes, and we do give you a separate remote for this one. What I like about this auto roller the most is it does fit in that tub, so you have all the space you want to fit any sort of sports bars or tub racking systems. So this is the Platinum Edition Next Gen Ranger, and this is our actual King Series bull bar without the hoops. Now, as you can see, it does come with these light system as standard, the daytime running, which also doubles as an indicator, and that one there is actually a fog light. Now, as you can see, the King Series does wrap around the car nicely. You see on the edges, on the front there as well. Ties in, more aggressive styling. It does have the ray recovery points in red, which are rated at 3.5 tons, and it does have a bash plate on there, which is 3 mil thick as well. It does come standard in red. We can color code to any other color, it doesn't cost extra for that one. Now, as you can see, we have fitted a steady 21.5 inch light bar on the top of here. Just has that more illumination, better driving at night, and any sort of sensors that work originally with the car gets relocated to the bar, and we do put it in here. If you have the 4 sensors or the 6 sensors, depending on what you have. And these infills over here just provide more of a stylish look to the car, and they are actually made of steel as well. As you can see, this is the hammer flat rack, nice, neat. It's not too bulky, doesn't go too high. You can mount anything in between any of these platforms, and it doesn't interfere with the original car antenna, which I love. As you can see over here, you can see the wind deflect on the front. It does come standard. You can mount anything inside the front or the top, additional lighting. It's very convenient, very compact. And what I love the most, it doesn't interfere inside the cabin. You don't get all that wind noise when you're driving. As you can see, we have fitted a Nova Series rear bar on this car as well. We do have the optional red shackles, the ultimate shackles. They come standard in red, black, or gray. Obviously this one's red. One of my favorite sports bar is the Night Fury sports bar. Now this car being a platinum model, it came standard with that plastic sail plane. So what we had to do is take that off, get some original side plastics for the Ford, chuck that on, and then what we can do is definitely mount whatever sort of sports bars or racks you can. I love it because it has that military look, that styling, more aggressive. It does come standard with the reverse light and brake light. And this logo here, hammer, does light up in red. So when you press that open button or you open the door, it's nice, simple red. It just finished it off nicely to my liking. As you can see, we've done for today. We've done the Next Gen Ranger and Next Gen Raptor. 2 different builds, 2 different cars. Stay in touch. We will be posting a lot more content, a lot more different builds. Hit that subscribe button and see what we do next.